Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on a REALME 12X. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then you have to go to Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click next. And you can go back. Then scroll down and click on lock screen. Now click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.